guys! Welcome to my scrappiness! Hey guys, it's Marissa. I hope everyone is doing well and that you are all keeping safe. Today we are going to work on the third layout for our mini kit Monday challenge for the month of July. And I have here some pictures that I printed from my Canon selfie. And this is obviously the Liberty Bell, and I am going to scrapbook this. And this is a picture of me, my husband, and my daughter. My son didn't go with us on this trip because he was taking summer classes. This is the three of us right now, and then I am going to be using these papers. This is a scrap paper that you've already seen me using this on our second layout, which by the way, I'm going to put the layout video if you need to see it up here. And then we are also going to be using this paper, and we're specifically going to be using this border. We are going to play with the stickers. I still have to figure out which sticker to play with in this case. And then of course, we are going to use white cardstock here by American Crafts. This is going to be the base of our layout. So to start, let's start cutting our, oh by the way, I'm also going to be using this red scrap cardstock and maybe also this. Somehow I'm going to find a way to use it. And I'm going to also use this scrap red cardstock, American Crafts again, for matting later. Anyway, let's start playing with our layout and cutting our papers here. So we're going to start with cutting this. This is 8" by 12, and I'm going to cut this by 5 by 4. Or rather 5 by 8. And then we're also going to take this and cut off also another 5 by 8 off of this. And then we're going to cut this into 3 inches, or make it 3 inches. And then off of this paper, I want to use this butterflies here. There you go. And then I also want this Let Freedom Ring over here. I am also going to mat this with our red paper. Let me just see how big it is. So this is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4, and I'm going to go ahead and cut 3 1/2 by 4 1/2, leaving it 1/8 of an inch. 1/8 of an inch border all around. There you go. Now I'm going to glue this. So off of this, I'm going to cut about 1/2 inch, and this is actually 3 1/2 by 1/2 inch. So let's see what I can work with that. And then what I am planning to do is take this, and then we're going to thread this through. Let me divide this, or let me do this in half like so. And then we're going to do that on both sides to make this act like the ribbon. I'm going to put this on the side. I'm going to put some glue on here to hold it, to hold the cardstock. And I will leave this here in the meantime while it's getting dry. Put this on the side for now. And then I want to ink the edges of this papers, just to hide the white core of the papers. I'm going to dovetail this by 1 inch in. I'm going to look at it from the back side since this is sort of like a solid paper. And ink the edges. Leaving about 1/2 of an inch down at the bottom. There you go. And then we're going to play with this on top. So I plan to put this way and this way, leaving both about 1/2 an inch, trying to center it. There you go. And then we're going to put this picture over here. I'll try to center it the best I can. And then this one goes this way. Then here, we're gonna put Let Freedom Ring. Oh, before we put this, I forgot to add on this other element. Let's put on this element here. And we're going to, I'm gonna cut it off right here. And I'm gonna try and center that. And then we're gonna get our Let Freedom Ring over here. This sticker goes right there. I want to go ahead and mat our sticker here, so that way it'll stand out because it'll get drowned here. It'll drown over there if we don't mat it. So the sticker is 2 inches by 3 1/4. Which means I have to cut this by 3 1/2 by 2 1/4. Let's see how it goes. Oh yeah. Let me just unstick this and put it back on. This is pretty tacky. The sticker is pretty tacky, but I want to make sure that it actually holds and doesn't fall off later. There you go. Hopefully it'll stand out better. And let's put it over here. I think it stands out a little better than earlier. Let's put it over there. Let's put this over here. I need something up here to balance it off. And something maybe over here. I really like this small little baby sticker. There you go. Let's put it over here. Yay! Okay, I'm happy with this. I better stop right now while I'm ahead, because I'm gonna end up putting a lot of stickers again on this layout. Here you go, guys. Here's our very simple layout, and this is our third layout for the month of July for the Monday mini kit challenge. So I hope you enjoyed the process of me putting this layout together, and give me a thumbs up if you like the layout. That's it for now, guys, and watch out for the fourth layout coming up soon. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Be safe out there.